Guys, I hope everyone is doing great and preparing for the need with the best of their efforts. And yeah, हम फोड़ के रखेंगे आगे. So yeah, today I just got my Unacademy package, and yeah, I forgot to do the like just to take out my camera and start filming beforehand, but now I'm doing it. So that I haven't opened the package, just I have cut the 2 sellotapes underneath. So yeah, this is also going to be my first impression about the package. So let's open. No need to be too dramatic. So let's open the package. It's already opened. I have already cut it with a knife. Yeah. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं डब्बे के अंदर डब्बा है. हमने इस डब्बे को भी अनबॉक्स कर ही लिया है और मैंने उसके आगे नहीं देखा है. तो अब जाके शुरू होता है असली अनबॉक्सिंग. डब्बे के अंदर डब्बा, उसके अंदर और एक डब्बा. तो ये डब्बा कैसे निकलता है? अच्छा, ये डब्बा ऐसे निकल गया. इसमें कुछ है शायद, लगता है. देखते हैं क्या है इसके अंदर. कुछ तो ज़रूर है इसके अंदर. ओके, कुछ है. ऑफिशियल Unacademy merchandise, as you guys can see, it's written over here. तो देखते हैं क्या है merchandise इसके अंदर. लगता है कुछ टी शर्ट वगैरह होगा. Hustle it, crack it, repeat it. Nerd power. Oh अच्छा, this is a sticker pad. So yeah, wow, the stickers are cute. Hustle it, crack it, repeat it. Knowledge takes you places. Unacademy logo stickers here. Unacademy logo stickers. E equals to MC square. Due tomorrow, do it today. Lots of Unacademy stickers. Fueled by dreams, nerd power, living to learn, go for goals, breathe in, breathe out. Who is this? Does it look like this guy? Looks like Aman sir up to some extent. Chal ud ja, let's crack it. This reminds me of Anand Mani sir, who used to take morning classes. Data is more than drama. Busy chasing dreams. My hero. Yeah, I love this. This is going to be. I'm going to use it on my daily routine taking diary. I'm going to use it a lot. This is nice. Let's see what else is there. Let's keep it aside. I don't have much place to keep as I'm filming on my study table right now. Okay, wow, these are really nice. This is going to be very useful. I use a lot of highlighters. As you guys can see. Sorry, I'm just so fumbling right now. Like, I have a lot of highlighters and I love using highlighters a lot. Let me show it to you guys. Like, a lot of them. So yeah, this is going to be very handy. Thank you Unacademy for these things. I'll open it later. Let's see what else. Don't let anything except gravity get you down. What is this? Okay, these are bookmarkers. Nerd power. Don't let anything except gravity. Okay, these are all the same. How many do I have? How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them here. No, just excuse my English. This is my first time I'm making a video for YouTube. So yeah. What is this? This is a key ring. This says power through. Anything else? Okay. Cute bookmarkers. These are going to be very handy. Nothing else. Nothing else in the box. So let's keep it aside. What is this? This is a bag. Wow. Let's keep these things aside also. Sorry. So this is a Wildcraft bag, as you can see, with the Unacademy badging. Okay, this looks like a good bag. Okay, nothing fancy here, just a normal regular day-to-day bag with something inside. What is it? Okay, these are Wildcraft and all these things, papers. Not going to be very handy about it. What else do I have here in the bag? Anything else? No, just a simple bag. Yeah, just a very simple bag. Here, sir, we are doing online classes. Where are we going to take these bags? So yeah, that's it. And then our books. It says authors. Okay. Not for sale, written already. General topics and more concepts. I don't know, like, is it the entire syllabus they have sent once? Let's open it and see. I'm just so excited now. This is not the right way to open the book, sorry. And excuse me for all the honkings. I live by a nearby road, so yeah. Let's see, what do we have? Projectile motion, kinetic theory of gases. Okay, this says July 2021, so I guess more of them are going to come. It's physics, right? Thermodynamics, mode of heat transfer, KTG, projectile motion. Motion in one dimension is not here, I don't think. They are going to come, or I don't know what is it. Motion starts with projectile motion. Wow! Wow, these are colorful ones, not like, you know, materials from other institutes. I haven't seen these so colorful materials before. These are wonderful. I love them. I really love them. Okay, question answers, important concepts. Is it entirely colorful? Wow, wow. I really love them. Mind map, guys, which everyone wants. Mind maps. Mind maps are printed over here. This is going to be very, very, very useful, I'm saying, guys. This is really nice. I really love it. I hope you could see the smile on my face. But I'm just too shy to show it to you guys right now. Yeah, the entire book is colorful. You know, colorful books make me read them more, actually. I just don't lose them. I'm not supposed to lose these materials. Wow, these are nice. Yeah, that's it for the physics part. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 of them in the July 2021 material package. Now let's open the chemistry package. Yep, these are colorful as well, with a lot of written items. These are really, really nice. I really love them. Does it also have mind maps? Okay, it has chapter summary, which is going to be useful as well, but I'm not finding mind maps here. Sir, could you please add mind maps in the books if you're seeing? Sir, if physics can have mind maps, why not chemistry? Let's check the atomic structure book. History of atomic model. Wow, these are really attractive. I really love the books. These are so colorful. I haven't seen 11-12 books such colorful, you know. I'm just so excited. Yeah, NCERT is colorful, but not so vividly colorful actually. I really, really love them. I hope you could just see the smile on my face. I'm here looking for the mind map, which is not here again. So I don't think chemistry is having mind maps. Chemical bonding, let's see if this thing has mind map. Something is there. Wait, what is it? No, these are all the same chapter summary, a little bit more colorful. Okay, so what do we have? States of matter, electrochemistry, thermodynamics, thermochemistry, thermodynamics, nomenclature. Let's see the organic modules. Okay. Nomenclature book, stereochemistry and isomerism, periodic table, and hydrogen, and environmental chemistry Okay, that's a mix and match kind of a thing. I think it's an entire class 11 syllabus. No, we don't have X block, P blocks. Oh, okay, we have. Okay, we have periodic table. Let's see. Okay, so this is like the entire class 11, I think. No, this is just a periodic table chapter. Wait. Nomenclature, thermodynamics, thermochemistry, electrochemistry, states of matter, chemical bonding, atomic structure, topics and main concepts. No, we don't have S block, P block. Okay, I don't know about it. What is going to happen? Let's check the other ones now. This is the bio package. Who are our authors? I'm just looking for Anand Mani sir. Okay, Anand Mani sir is not here. No, it's not here. Anand Mani sir is not here. I don't know why. Okay, that's not a big deal. Oh yeah, we have the mind maps over here. As you guys can see, we have the mind maps. This is going to be useful. This is going to be really useful. The books are really colorful with beautiful pictures all around. Really nice. I really love the books. So let us see what we have. Biological classification, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, morphology of flowering plants, anatomy of flowering plants, cell cycle and cell division. Okay, there are two: digestion and absorption. This looks like the entire class 11 is here. Breathing and exchange of gases, excretory products and their elimination, locomotion and movement, neural control and coordination, reproduction in organisms, reproductive health, strategies for enhancement in food production, microbes in human welfare, environmental issues. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Nothing else in the box. Yeah, I have taken the Unacademy iconic subscription and this is my first parcel over here. I hope you guys can get an idea what you guys get in the physical packages from the online classes. So yeah, I really liked the packages. I really liked that it's very colorful and also they give you this box to keep the entire thing. This is really nice. I'm going to do it, like put all the books like it was and take out one by one as sirs are teaching and I'm going to read them. So it's easy to keep the books, keep a track of them. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm going to read all of them. Those books are really nice, not unlike other all the materials I have got from any institutes or anything. I have got them always black and white. It's nothing to do with black and white or colorful materials, but yeah, it's just that colorful things make me memorize things a little better. Yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my video and all the best for NEET 2022. Thank you.